আমি আর আমার গ্রুপ আছে পজ অ্যান্ড হোপ বলে, আমরা প্রচুর কাজ করি স্ট্রিট ডগসদের নিয়ে। তো সেটা শুরু হয়েছিল সম্প্রতি নয়, অনেক বছর ধরেই। আমরা ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ফিডার্স আমরা অনেকেই আছি। উই হ্যাভ বিন ফিডিং কমিউনিটি ডগস, ওদের খাওয়ানো, ওদের দেখাশোনা করা, ট্রিটমেন্ট করা। Also, when there has been accidents on the road, when there have been cases of injury, when there have been illnesses, we have sent for treatment. This we have done individually. But in December 2016, we became an informal group. We called ourselves Hope, and we sent two female dogs from one complex in Calcutta. They were being tortured over there. Khubi abuse hotchilo. We found a home for them in Shillong, in Meghalaya. And we still get videos from the lady there. They are very happy there. So we had to send them there. We had to raise funds, their train cost, two attendants to go with them, vet check, injection, all these things. So to raise that money, this group came together and we raised almost 40,000 rupees to send them. Once they left and they were safe in their home, we didn't want to stop the work. So we thought we would do sterilization of street dogs because there are so many on the road. Their numbers are growing. Some people like them, most are scared of them. So how do we control this? The only humane way to control their numbers is through spay and neuter, as it is called. And that is the program that we undertook, and we still called ourselves, as an informal group, we called ourselves Hope. And from 2017 January to date, we have sponsored the sterilization of over 600 dogs in different parts of Kolkata. We get calls that amader paday 5ta ache 6ta ache whatever, and we respond. We don't have medical facilities of our own. We work with Ashari, we work with Mother's Heart, we work with Jiva Foundation. These are three very good NGOs in the city who work with street dogs. The cases go there, they come and pick them up, they take them, they operate them, and they return them to their localities, which is very important because the law says you cannot put a Tollygunj street dog in Baliganj. That is very clear in the law. So that's how we work, and we've been working like this, as I said, from January 2017, this whole focus on sterilization and on treatment. And then we decided we needed to become an NGO, a registered trust, so that our work can be better and more organized. Last year, 2020, in October, we became a formally registered trust, and today we are called Pause and Hope. Our work is the same. Our target is, by the end of this year, we want to reach 700 dog sterilization. The advantage of sterilization is, one, of course, it brings the numbers down. Two, the chances of cancer in the dogs as they grow older, both male and female, are very high if they're not sterilized. That chance is completely minimized. And the numbers being down, people are more adjusting to them. They are more open to having them in the neighborhood. If you have 5 dogs in a lane and 20 dogs in a lane, there is a big difference. Therefore, the need for sterilization. There is a lot of debate, our indie dogs, as we call them, and the pedigreed dogs. I feel that in our climate, the indies, our local Indian dogs, are much better because they are short-haired, they are constitutionally stronger. I have 10 of them at home, all rescued from trauma, and they are far more adaptable to the weather conditions, to change. They are happy with little. They don't demand extra medical attention, and because of the inbreeding in our cities today amongst the pedigreed dogs, they have huge number of health problems, health issues, which the breeder will never tell the prospective buyer. So these little pups that are bought when they are 6 weeks old, they shouldn't be separated till they are 3 months, but they are sold early. They have innumerable health problems, and the poor buyer is completely unaware, and a lot of these dogs end up being abandoned on the street. Therefore, I would say, if we adopt our own dogs in our homes, you give a life a chance and you help. Another advantage of having an indie dog, I know a lot of families will say we don't have the time to look after a dog. We are going to office, children are in school, college, nobody has the time. If a building can adopt their community dog, say a lane has 20 buildings, there are 5 or 6 dogs, a building has to adopt one dog. The children are happy, they have a dog in the building to play with. That dog is vaccinated, sterilized, fed, looked after, not a threat. It's a win-win situation. The dog is not in anyone's house. It's downstairs in the building compound. Everybody wins. The children are happy because most children want a dog in the house. Most children say that we want a pet, and the parents say, time নেই, কে দেখাশোনা করবে, কে খাওয়াবে, কে ওয়াকে নিয়ে যাবে. This solves the problem. So to come back to our trust, Pause and Hope, we are a group of about 40 of us, and we work with raising our own donations. We make our own contributions, and with that money, sometimes people give us one-time donations. As I said, we do our work. Throughout lockdown, we fed as a group over 400 animals every day. Last year's lockdown, this year's lockdown, and whenever we can, we reach out to rag pickers who look after dogs. We collect rations for them, we collect food for them, dry food rations for them, and give it to them because they are vulnerable, they need the rations, and they're looking after the street dogs. So we try and help them. The idea is to build this community of dog carer and the dog on the road. We also help with cats sometimes, but the focus is the dogs. Cats, as and when we get news, we try and help for sterilization and treatment. So we invite whoever is listening to this, if you feel that and you believe in our cause, and if you feel for these animals who are suffering on the road, the only way to mitigate their suffering is to join us in our crusade to sterilize them, to come forward to help us with your donations so that we can get more and more such dogs and cats sterilized and treated when there are some horrific injuries and illnesses. In fact, right now we are sponsoring in different hospitals 5 different cases of unimaginable, some abuse and some terrible accidents. So please join us, please come on board, and we hope to cooperate with you. Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.